Today is the day we are getting Joey's van from Remington's Flowers. You met her the other day when we stopped in after doing the roof numbers at the Sheriff's Department. All right, here we are in East Troy. Now, I have several flower shops that I work with as customers, and they're all very good. But this Remington's Flowers here, Joey that runs this, she is a true artist. I don't know how else to describe it. Go Google Remington's Flowers in East Troy and look at some of her bouquets and the weddings that she does. She is booked up years ahead because of the way her arrangements look. So it's going to be a kind of a treat to go in here. Hopefully she's okay with me filming. We'll see. But she is a true artist. And like I said, you must be doing something right if you're booked up years in advance for weddings. Here we are, me pulling in. She works out of a pretty small building. I think she outgrew this building probably the day after she moved into it. All right, looks like she's got a customer in there, so probably gonna wait on the filming. Hello, are you okay with this?
Is that your GoPro?
Yeah. So.
Why do you have your GoPro?
Because people on the channel want to see more customer interaction.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, number one.
That's why I'm here.
I need the white car redone. I just want... Actually, I took the phone number off. Can I just put a dog head on the back? Like, just Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest?
So, dog. Do you want to change the dog to the teal color?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, can you just do the dog head? And then same thing, just like website straight, like right underneath it.
Kind of like how we did on this one on the sides, but just add the dog head with the web.
No.
Where's the dogs?
They're at home. I'm too busy. I just
sucks.
had to go sign all the paperwork for the van. Going to pick it up.
Awesome.
Later.
Where'd you buy it?
Lynch.
Okay. Okay. So it is.
Okay, hold on.
Oh wait, we're back to the vehicles.
I like where the Flowers and Co.
Mm-hmm.
Like above that silver line right there for the website and everything.
Above the GMC? What are you talking about?
Above the Denali.
Oh, you're pointing on that one. I thought you were pointing to this one. Okay, that one.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so everything above the line, right?
So just the dog head.
Just the dog head. How big do you want to go with the dog head? Kind of like the same size? A little bit larger, maybe like 15% larger?
Yeah. I say change dog head to teal and leave Remington's Flowers and Co. Leave the website and then just...
Well, I can't deal with the website being off-center like that because...
Yeah, I know.
Did you peel something off that was in front of it? The phone, that's right. Yeah, so I can't deal with that, so we gotta change that.
Way too many calls. I like the size of Remington's and Flowers and Co.
Okay, so...
So you just gotta fix the bottom and the dog head.
Well, then the Remington's Flowers is gonna have to stay down below, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, van.
Van, yes.
Okay, so trailer.
Yep.
So I think I want like straight, like the blue top.
Okay.
I got a picture of it. Kind of drew it.
Is it a... Oh, you did? Okay, good. You were supposed to.
I didn't. But
Oh, you didn't?
I was starting. It does have windows, but I don't have a picture of the back. I have every other picture besides that. You can't see through the windows, though. I think they're the same color as the van. Does that make sense?
So it doesn't have windows.
No,
it's a panel.
It does.
But they're tinted.
Yeah,
okay, they're tinted. So we're gonna do the dog head and then just the web.
Website
and then the social media.
Yep.
Are you gonna try and eliminate the phone number from everything?
Yeah.
That's smart because nobody cares.
Yeah, no one cares. Okay, and then I want to do either like, I don't want my name on it. I just want like some accents. Like, I like how that looks.
I would say, what if we take that stripe down the side of the van, okay? Mm-hmm. So if we take that stripe, which will probably come in right about here, we'll take this down the side of the van, and I'll draw all this up ahead of time so you can see it. And then I would definitely put at least a Remington's flower, maybe in this back panel right here. So it's not huge, it'll be even smaller than that. on there, and we could even do like that's top stripe to match it, so we could kind of bring that up and along too, and kind of do a flower up there, kind of like we did. I mean, we can really match the trailer, so when you're hooked up to it, it looks good, but we'll keep it subtle enough that it doesn't look like a circus wagon, you know. I'll draw it up multiple ways for you, so you can see it with that stripe, without that stripe. Well, maybe we won't do the top stripe.
This is what the windows look like.
Okay. Yeah, so I will...
Picture, I wish I did.
Don't worry about it. I've done a million of these vans. It's a Ram, too. I thought you bought a Ford. It's a Ram. Is the color pretty close to the trailer?
Oh, and please take off my GMC things.
Remove GMC things. Okay.
Alright, that's it. That's all I got.
So for those of you watching, not only is she a great artist, but she's very indecisive, and we will change our mind 17 times before this is done.
Be able to use this recording.
Oh, yes, I am.
And do I just have to drop it off?
Yes, I have you on the schedule for
next
Wednesday. I'm going to try and get this drawn up.
You can push me back if you need to.
No, I'd like to get you done, because otherwise if I push you back, it's going to be December, because right now I'm booking the first week of December. So if we give up that spot, we're going way back. So
you let me know.
Let's just get it in. As long as you and I can figure something out before Wednesday morning AM, then I'll keep it on the schedule for Wednesday / Thursday.
You'll need it like a day?
Yes. Hopefully Wednesday we can get it all done, but maybe finish it up a little bit on Thursday. Okay.
Thank you.
So we decided to keep this pretty simple. She's kind of refined her logo over the years. One of the dogs' name is Remington, and that's where the name came from. So she's used a golden retriever head as her logo with the Remington spelled out. She's kind of whittled that down throughout the years. She just uses the golden retriever head and promotes a lot of the social media and her website. So you'll see this is kind of a simplified version, but it's going to look really nice hooked up to her trailer, which is full-blown graphics, striping, flowers. So here we go on this. We're going to get it cleaned up and get some lettering put on this. So enjoy. Everything is taped up, ready to go. Everything's measured out, lined up, ready to put down. So here we go. We're gonna start with the back first. Kind of thought this was cute. She wanted the slow vehicle flowers on board. I added probably some dogs too, because she's always got dogs with her. I can barely see this, so I need to go grab my glasses. So I'm just gonna go edge to edge here. These just kind of help frame in what we're doing. So this used to be the time of year when I first started this business where we'd slow down. So like basically Thanksgiving to New Year's, and probably starting 8-ish years ago, we don't get a slowdown anymore. It was nice to have a little bit of a slowdown just to get the shop back in order. And there's so much going on during the holidays, but we don't slow down now. So while I'm working on this, I just did this truck real quick yesterday. They got quite a few of these to get done. Dan is wrapping this truck. This is a Calderon. I think they do concrete. He got our name from Ryan over at Victory. So he's got a couple trucks we got to get done for him. Heading up north tomorrow. It's the opening of deer season here in Wisconsin for gun deer.
So I don't know if any of you saw the sled wrap video that we did, the pink skulls. He was thrilled with it. Actually, his wife was thrilled with it. So now we're gonna wrap his in blue skulls. So that should be pretty cool. Definitely gonna notice their sleds when they walk out of a restaurant or something. Now with this, because it's glass, I'm not going to wrap it around the glass at all. We're just going to kind of back cut so it seats right on the edge. Originally, she wasn't too keen on putting something on the glass, but it kind of needs to be. You need to have the logo centered, front and center. So I noticed on this dot for the eye up here, there's an error, a flaw on my part. Looks like when I was cutting between the letters, I snipped off the eye. So we're gonna try something here, and if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna go print another one, which I'm probably gonna end up printing another one. But since it's got a flat spot, let's see if we put the flat spot down, how that looks. That really doesn't look all that bad. Yeah, I think that'll be just fine. Joey's gonna call me out on that now in the video, but if you look at like this eye is down, and that eye should be down like that anyways. So unless maybe I didn't cut that, maybe that pulled when I was weeding, and when I put it back down, I didn't put the flat spot down. So that could very possibly be too. So, but that's gonna be just fine. Okay. We're going to come in just a little bit from the door edge because there's a rubber seal up here. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. A lot of construction going on across the street. All right, that is a wrap on this spot graphics job. I think it came out pretty good. It's simple, which is exactly what she was looking for. So hopefully she's happy with it. And that's it for this. Thank you for watching. Please like, tag, share, subscribe. That really helps out the channel. Much appreciated. Take care.